If you're just starting your woodworking journey, or you're a seasoned craftsman looking to expand your tool collection without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 10 essential woodworking tools that are all under $50, proving you don't need to spend a fortune to get quality gear that delivers real results. From precision clamping to accurate drilling and joinery solutions, these tools offer incredible value. Let's dive right in. First up is the DIYLOG corner clamp. Essential for box joints, frames, and cabinets. Made from aluminum in red, this clamp weighs 4 pounds with 3.5-inch thickness. The anodized finish is anti-rust and corrosion resistant, ensuring longevity in humid workshops. Corner clamps maintain perfect 90-degree angles during glue-ups without warping. The aluminum construction balances lightweight maneuverability with sturdy holding power. Perfect for picture frames, drawer boxes, or any project requiring precise corners. This clamp delivers professional results at an affordable price. Number 2. Milescraft 1318 DrillMate. The Milescraft 1318 DrillMate brings precision to your drilling. This hand-powered metal guide features variable speed up to 5,000 RPM with a 1-inch maximum chuck size. Weighing just 0.065 ounces in black, red, and gray, it's incredibly portable. The drilling capacity for wood is 0.38 inches. This guide ensures perfectly straight, perpendicular holes every time, eliminating freehand drilling errors. Number 3. KREG Pocket-Hole Jig. The KREG Pocket-Hole Jig revolutionizes hidden joinery. This metal jig in blue and silver weighs 2.16 pounds and features an anti-slip base, adjustable spacing, and foolproof setup. Pocket holes create strong joints without visible fasteners, perfect for cabinets, face frames, and furniture. The adjustable spacing accommodates various material thicknesses, while the anti-slip base ensures stability during drilling. The foolproof design delivers consistent, accurate results without complicated measurements. For woodworkers wanting professional quality joinery beyond simple butt joints, this jig is invaluable. Number 4. Soccer Multifunction Foldable Level. The Soccer Multifunction Foldable Level combines versatility with precision. This 28-inch foldable level is made from aluminum in red and weighs 1.37 pounds. The foldable design means it adapts to different measuring scenarios. Use it straight for long surfaces, or fold it into angles for complex measurements. Aluminum construction ensures durability without excessive weight, making it easy to carry around your workshop or job site. The multifunction capability eliminates needing multiple levels for different tasks. It's compact storage and versatile functionality in one affordable tool. Meet the Jorgensen Chamfer plane, a specialized tool for professional edge work. This metal edge corner plane comes in orange and includes 4 blades for different shapes. The high-strength blades are efficient and durable, handling repeated use without dulling quickly. Chamfering edges removes sharp corners, adds decorative details, and prevents splintering on furniture and cabinetry. The blades are easy to replace and come with instructions, making maintenance straightforward. For adding professional finishing touches to your woodworking projects, this plane delivers precision and versatility. Number 6. POWERTEC Chisel Plane. The POWERTEC Chisel Plane offers professional-grade cutting power. Featuring high-carbon SKD-11 tool steel blades with a flat blade edge and maple wood handle, this tool is built for precision. It's available in various configurations: 3-piece chisel set, flat blade plane, point blade plane, corner chisel, dual edge trimmer, and single edge trimmer. The SKD-11 tool steel provides exceptional edge retention and durability for demanding woodworking tasks. The maple wood handle offers comfortable grip and control during extended use. Quality steel and thoughtful design make this a reliable addition to any workshop. Number 7. Housolution Right Angle Clamp. The Housolution Right Angle Clamp is built for serious clamping power. Made from aluminum with a 90-degree design and single handle, it weighs 6.3 pounds with 1,000 psi tensile strength. The specifications include 68mm jaw opening, 95mm jaw width, and 35mm jaw depth. Available in 2-pack, 4-pack, 8-pack, and 4 different colors, you can build a complete clamping system matching your needs. The single-handle design allows quick adjustments while maintaining consistent pressure. Note that it comes with no warranty, but the robust construction and aluminum build ensure reliable performance for corner joints, frames, and cabinet assembly. Number 8. WORKPRO Bar Clamps. The WORKPRO Bar Clamps deliver versatility in one package. This set includes 4-piece 6-inch and 2-piece 12-inch bar clamps made from reinforced nylon and hardened steel. Weighing 5.3 pounds with 150 pounds tensile strength, they handle various project sizes. The high-quality steel rail provides durability and strength, while the reinforced nylon handle ensures comfortable grip during extended use. Having multiple clamp sizes in one set means you're prepared for both small detailed work and larger panel glue-ups. Number 9. Skil 508001 13-ampere circular saw. The Skil 508001 circular saw brings power tool capability under budget. This 7 1/4 inch circular saw features a carbide blade for wood surfaces with corded electric power. It delivers 13 amperes at 5,300 RPM with a 2 3/8 inch depth of cut. The 51-degree bevel with positive stops at 45 degrees enables angled cuts for complex joinery. It includes an 18-tooth carbide blade and features a spindle lock for easy blade changes using the on-tool wrench. For breaking down sheet goods, cutting dimensional lumber, or any project requiring straight, powerful cuts, this saw delivers professional results at an entry-level price. Number 10. EANOSIC Setup Blocks Height Gauge Set. Finally, the EANOSIC Setup Blocks Height Gauge Set brings precision measurement to your workshop. Made from aluminum alloy, this 15-piece inch setup block set weighs 1.87 pounds. These blocks are essential for accurately setting table saw blade heights, router bit depths, and fence positions without constant measuring and guesswork. The aluminum alloy construction ensures dimensional stability and durability that won't wear down over time. Simply stack the blocks to achieve your desired measurement, set your tool against them, and lock it in place. For repeated cuts requiring exact heights or depths, these blocks provide consistent, reliable accuracy that improves both efficiency and quality in your woodworking projects. And there you have it, 10 essential woodworking tools, all under $50, that can seriously upgrade your workshop without emptying your wallet. I've added the links in the description so you can check out more details on any of these tools that caught your eye. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which tool you're planning to add to your workshop first. Happy woodworking!